Namaste. My name is Kishore Kumar Yedam. I am a CEO of this organization, and thank you so much, Times of India, for honoring us Tamil Nadu Icons of the Year. And we are very happy to receive this iconic honor, and thanks a lot. And coming to our FSS, let me ask Kishore to explain about FSS and FSS growth and FSS history. Hey, Kishore, yes.
Hey, thanks, Kishore. Hey, my name is K. Kishore. I'm the managing director for this organization. Federal Soft Systems, we call it as a FSS. We started our journey in the year of 2015 based on Arkansas in United States. So our vision and goal, we want to establish as a company, as an IT firm, IT consulting services globally. So we started different verticals. Initially, when we started, we were mainly into the recruiting and consulting. But post that, we established our company into the India, the offshore offices. So we established in Hyderabad and Chennai majorly. Thereafter, we started in 2018. We started our offshore development centers based on Hyderabad. So apart from development, so now we are into the product base as well. So we have our own products where we are introducing on the AI-based platform and ML platform as well. Apart from that, yes, we have our own applications where we want to establish our company into the product base and the services and the application services as well. So overall, I can say that so we want to convert companies into a digital platform. At the same time, we want to be a one-stop for all the applications, all the solutions, whatever market is required. And over to Mr. Kishore, where he can explain about our vision and the goals what we've been set it for.
Okay, thanks, Kishore. See, basically, we are almost like 48 million USD turnover company, and we have head office in US as well as in India. And recently, whatever Kishore was explaining, recently we have acquired almost 15 to 16 products, which are basically like artificial intelligence and machine learning products. At the same time, we have also acquired revolutionary apps, which are unique in the market, global market. Considering all these applications and other whatever services which we are at present, whatever services we are doing it, we are consolidately we are going to target 500 to 1,000 crores within 5 to 10 years of downline. And at the same time, we are almost 800 plus employees now, and we are expanding into another 1,200 employees, and we are targeting 2,000 employees within a couple of years down the line. And considering all this, and thank you so much, Times of India, and for honoring us, and we are really happy for this kind of honor, and very happy. And thanks a lot for whoever has supported here, and we are one among 25 industries and which has been selected by Times of India. Thank you so much, and we are so happy for you. Yeah, thank you.